in Indonesia. So sorry to tell you, but I don't think that it's really important, to work in Indonesia when using English.
Okay, hello, hi Gal. How's
Yes.
your day?
My day isn't gone too well. I got too sleepy all the time because. So today I got a midterm test and it goes bad. Like
Oh,
I got so many revise at my article.
oh my
So
God.
many. There's a big question mark
Same. It's
inside
same.
my text.
Same. Like there's so many question mark and it's so big and I don't know what to do.
Okay.
But what are we going to do?
You write your article in English, right?
Of course.
Okay, so today we are going to discuss is that English is important and anything else about English.
Oh,
So
wow.
our teams has prepared all the question, and let's start from the first question.
Okay, the first question.
Okay, the first question is why do we still need to learn English in this day and age?
Why we still English in this era?
Still learning English. Okay.
Okay, how about you?
Oh, start from me first.
Okay.
No, it's better to start from you.
Oh, so it's ladies first.
Ladies first.
Okay. Why we still learning English? We have to learn English. Okay, I think it's so important, of course, because English, we know English that international language, English lingua franca. So English can connect people around the world. Like if you want to access, we are university student, right?
University student.
For example, like right now, we are writing an
Writing article in English.
yeah.
Okay.
So sometimes
Sometimes.
we need to access to the international journal.
International journal.
Yeah, and it's in English.
And it's scattered around using
Yeah.
English.
Yeah.
And it's so difficult if you want to translate it one by one.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
I agree with that.
Imagine if you don't know English. Imagine if you can understand English.
Okay. So you need to translate it one by
Yeah.
one. I agree with that. But how if some people didn't have the opportunity to connect with people from other countries, so many countries, so it is still relevant for wherever it is.
Of course, it's still relevant for me. Like for example, if you want to watch YouTube and
Okay.
like the content, it's from various countries, right?
For these countries.
Okay. Even if it is from Korea, for example, they always provide the subtitle in English.
I agree with that. But so the real question is maybe it's not about how important it is, but how much it needs for everyday lives. Okay. Is that
Yeah,
enough?
I think I
Let's move
agree
to
with it.
the next question.
Okay, the second one is isn't automatic translation technology already available? So why we still learning English?
So it's ladies first again, or you want to?
Oh, when it comes to AI and technology, I think men will know the most. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I know that there are so many technologies, AIs, and anything that comes when we talk about English. Easy translations, ChatGPT.
Oh, yep.
You often do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
But-
always use that actually.
Yeah. But technology didn't have a heart to understand. Like it can tell us by sentence and how it feels behind the sentence. It's still different when we talk with people who have a heart and who have the meaning in every sentence. Like you also can what is it called?
Yeah.
Talk about how your day was with AI, with technologies, or learning from English, but it's still different.
Yeah.
You agree with that?
I think AI doesn't have that feeling.
That feeling.
It's too, what's it, too strict for me.
That's right. So
Yeah.
it just basically didn't have a soul for it.
Yeah. And
Okay.
as I said before, like we want to access it in a journal. Like
Okay,
there's
okay.
so many sentences in that. Imagine like if we cannot speak English and we have to use that Google Translate, which
Translate.
is have a limitation.
Limitation?
Yep. We cannot copy paste the entire journal, right?
Okay.
So if we able to speak English, it's really easy for us to read, to understand without open to the AI. And then if we learn about language, we also learn about its culture, right?
Culture. Okay.
We just depends on AI. It's just like we just translate it. We don't know
Okay.
the mean of the
And AI just basically give us what we need, not what we want. And no, what
what we want, not what we need.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Next
Next
question.
question.
Okay. Is English still important in the Indonesian workplace? Okay, how about
English.
Okay. Workplace.
For me, it's yes.
Oh, in Indonesia. So sorry to tell you, but I don't think that it's really important to work in Indonesia when using English.
Okay.
If-
Why? Okay.
If if your workplace didn't use English and everyday life, like if you work at a
Farmer.
market, farmer,
Farmer.
it's not related. But if you work as a marketer, content creator, or even diplomats, you still really need English. Like you don't even want to talk with your client and bringing your handphone in the left hand with asking a question using AI and translate it in front of your client. It doesn't matter. I have a friend that a farm koi fish farmer,
Oh yeah.
and he has a client from other countries like Argentina or even Germany. But when I asked him what's the difficult when dealing with his client is the English. It's still the English, even though the technology is
Yeah.
growing faster, but it's still
So
have to
it's
different.
really English is still important in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Like even a farmer, you can use English.
Informer
Farmer,
for what?
if you are
Question.
also a content creator,
Oh.
maybe you want to share to the people people in the
about-
country about the
How to
How
prepare
to-
your farm,
Yes.
prepare your yield,
yes, how to what's it? What how to
milk a cow.
yep. You know, like in Indonesia, in the different countries, is there any what's it field
Field? What field?
like farm? Yeah,
In Indonesia,
yeah.
there's so many.
There's so
Even
many.
if you want
So-
to buy a part of the chemical for the farm,
Yeah.
it's still written in English.
Yeah.
You
So it's
really-
really helpful
You
even
really
for a
don't want
farmer.
your
So-
plant to die when accident
By a
you
semi-
didn't
by a
understand
chemical.
English.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's still
Still.
English is a
still
ace
important.
for it.
Yep.
Next
English is the
question.
bridge.
Does English proficiency really determine a person's success?
I think no. English is not the only factors because
Okay.
success it's not depend on English, right? There's network, creativity, and then something else, so many else. Imagine if you just know English but you don't have network, you can do nothing.
Okay.
You can do nothing.
But I think you left a most important things about the proficiency. If proficiency level isn't that really important, why do we still need to bring our TOEFL test when applying a job? Like
As I
okay.
said before,
Okay.
it's not the only factor.
The only
it's
factor.
one of them. Okay.
Okay, so learning English is still worth its gold.
Yep.
Worth its weight in gold. If I'm not mistaken,
But not the only factor.
not the only factor.
Not the only factor.
Okay, so
Because if you just know English, but you don't have creativity, you don't have network, you don't have ability, what can you do?
and English
Just speaking English?
English helps you to climb the ladder faster
Yep.
than people who don't understand it. Okay, no, I agree with you.
Okay. No, you agree with me.
Yeah, I agree with you.
No? Okay.
Next question.
Okay, for the last question, how relevant is English amidst the increasing use of other language like Mandarin or Korean?
You often watch Drakor?
I always. I
Okay.
am a big fan of K-pop. I'm a big fan of K.
I do also actually, but I'm too shy to tell it to people. Like I do know BTS, I do know like.
Because it's my favorite though.
Oh,
Yeah.
is that real?
Yeah. Really. Look at my wallpaper.
No, no way.
This is my base. Here's my
Who's
base.
that?
So, this is my base. No,
Who's that?
it's Suga.
Oh,
Suga.
and then I understand that Suga it comes from shooting guard. If I'm not mistaken.
Yep. Shooting guard.
Then if you don't understand English, you just know Suga. You don't
Yeah.
understand that Suga also play basketball from.
Yeah.
And
If you I don't know if I don't know English,
Okay,
I don't know if Suga means shooting guard.
that's right. That's right.
It's
That's
just
right.
it's just his name is Suga. I
But-
don't know the
But
meaning behind it.
let's leave that.
Yeah.
But we come to the language
Mhm.
again in workplace. Korean, Mandarin. Do you think that's important? Because I don't think it's better than Mandarin and Korean. It's still we need to look what's the need for that. If you work in China, you still need to learn Mandarin. When you work in Korea, you still learn Mandarin rather than just English. If you agree with me?
Yeah, but you know, English is lingua franca as I said before,
Okay.
and I am a K-pop fan, right? And the
K-pop.
content upload by the company, you know,
Okay.
mostly in Korean, right? And I don't understand what they talking. Okay.
Okay.
Then what do I do? What did I do?
You
I-
change the subtitle to
Yep.
English. Okay.
In what language? English.
English
Yes,
again.
English. Okay. So it's
Because English is universal
Yeah.
and it's still lingua franca.
lingua franca.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think let's close our discussion.
Okay.
Is this one for you?
Is it
Talking
really fun?
about
Because I can discuss with you. I can
Okay.
share my opinion with you,
Hmm.
and I know your perspective about
Perspective.
English, and you know my perspective.
perspective.
Yep.
Know each other better
Yep.
with English.
Yep. And I also know that you
oh no!
like
don't
the
say that.
K culture. I just know that.
Don't
It's
say
really
that.
interesting though.
Again, it's connect people.
Yep. It's connect people.
Okay.
Right, guys. It's connect people.
It's connect people. Now since we discuss about English and we talk about is it real still important and relevant in order to say, let's leave the rest to the audience. Do you guys think that English is still important?
Share your opinion.
Share your opinion.
Share your perspective.
Leave your perspective. Leave your anything argument in the comment section below. Okay, that's
That's
okay.
our discussion today.
Let's close this case and goodbye.